Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and it's Rush from More Reviews. So yes, we're here with another development. This one is an exclusive, so we'll get a chance to go on the property as well. So stay tuned for this one. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more. Subscribing is completely free. And definitely like the video, share, leave your comment as well. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well. Alright, so today we're at Dream 36. Alright, so this is Dream 36, guys. We're in Montego Bay, Ironshore to be exact. And this is a new luxury development comprising of 36 condos. I'll definitely take you guys inside. Alright guys, so this property, the deadline for completion is December 2020. That's when this property goes live. It's a very luxurious property and we'll be taking an exclusive tour. One of the subscribers on the channel was so kind to arrange for us to get an inside property tour. So that's what we'll be doing today. It has 24 one-bedroom units. It has two, in terms of penthouse, there's a penthouse as well. There are 3-bedroom units, but in total it's going to be 36 units. The penthouse are going to be on the 6th and 5th floor. There's a lot of parking area, a lot of amenities as well. And what I'm going to do, not to tell you guys too much, I'm going to insert a video right here. So wait for the video. And the video is coming right. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Hope that video shared a lot of information as well. And yeah, prices start at 196,000 USD. But at the end, one of the developer will be talking, so he'll share some more details on the property as well and contact information. So again, this is Ironshore, Montego Bay. So if you guys interested in this property, you know, start making your calls, start making preparation. It's very luxurious as well. The road that it's on does comprise of some other gated communities, some gated apartments as well, similar to over there. So I think this one will be a winner. They have movie theater, they have convenience store, rooftop pool, rooftop jacuzzi, a lot of amenities, guys. So I think this one is a very nice one. And yes, we're outside of Kingston, so I'm just highlighting some of the developments outside of Kingston as well. So leave your comment, guys. Definitely leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this property, and if you need contact details, that will be at the end, or you can also give me a buzz in the comment section as well. So we'll be taking an inside property tour. It may be a little bit noisy because construction is active, so please bear with me while we go on the inside. So it's Dream 36 luxurious condos. That's what's been developed right here. So from the other side, you'll be able to see the ocean from the 3rd floor going up. You'll be able to see the ocean from the elevator. It's going to be all glass, so you can see the ocean. The front area will be all glass, so you'll be able to see the ocean as well. So very nice, very luxurious. Let's show you another look, and then we go on the inside. So they're doing the rooftop, the final rooftop decking right now. So all this will be parking. Alright guys, so this is a side view of the property. These are some other apartment complex right here. So I'm standing in one of the 1-bedroom condos, and then this would be the back. And if you can look over, this is, I think, the 3rd floor. You can see the ocean. So that's an ocean view right there. And then you'll have an outside balcony as well. So this is a proposed 1-bedroom condo. We're still in some early stages in terms of the construction. That's showing you guys a glimpse of what's happening so far. So very nice neighborhood, very upscale neighborhood as well. Alright, so we're now at the other end. Alright guys, so this is a view from the 5th floor. This is one of the penthouse. So you have both mountain view, you have ocean view as well. And again guys, leave your comments, let me know what you think, share your thoughts, and again if you need contact details, let me know. Alright guys, this is a view from the roof. This is where the infinity pool will be, the jacuzzi, and the rooftop entertainment area. So you have both ocean view and a mountain view as well. Just giving you guys a small preview of what is to come. So again, construction is still active. They're pouring the roof, so that's what we caught today. And then this will be the elevator shaft ending on the roof. Alright, so this is the pool right here. So it'll be an infinity pool. There will be a waterfall in the pool as well. That's what those pipes are for. So infinity pool with a mountain view. So it's Dream 36 Dream condos. Alright guys, so we're back down on the ground. So this is now a view from the back of the property. So you're able to see a lot more design elements, balconies, and you'll have a lot of glass area, a lot of window. So this side will be facing the ocean. So you'll be able to see the entire ocean from this side. And I really... taking this property tour guys, I think this apartment complex, this condo complex, Dream 36, has that chance to take over from 20 South as the #1 based on the amenities. As I mentioned, you know, movie theater, rooftop pool, well, infinity rooftop pool, jacuzzi, bar area. So I think when it's finished guys, it's gonna be a marvel of a design. So I know the video is a little bit long guys, but stay tuned. I'm sure you won't regret it. So ensure you watch the entire video and definitely leave your comments. Alright, so coming up next, we'll hear a few words from one of the person that's running the site. He'll share a little bit more details as well in terms of Dream 36. So again, we're in Ironshore, Montego Bay.
So we are located in Rose Hall, Montego Bay, which is an excellent location specifically for those investors looking for vacation rental properties as well as long-term rental properties, as the property is located just a few minutes from the Sangsters International Airport, just a few minutes from the hotel zone, next door to places like the popular Scotches. So it makes it an ideal place for persons visiting from overseas to stay at short term, as well as appeals to the hotel sector in terms of middle and upper income managers for long-term rentals. And all of this starting from only 196,000 US dollars. You can contact myself at 876-383-5678 or your favorite real estate agent and just tell them you're interested in getting a unit at Dream 36. And just to close off, big up Raymore Reviews, doing a fabulous job out there in the field every day and keeping us posted. So make sure to share, like and subscribe.
Alright guys, there you have it. Dream 36. Remember to like, subscribe and share. And we'll see you on another awesome development. Today we're outside of Kingston in Montego Bay. Alright guys, now we'll hear a few words from one of the managers of the site, that's Manoj. So, in just a second.
Alright. Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Ramchandani, the CEO for Dream Developers, and today we're standing in front of Dream 36, which is our beautiful modern development in Montego Bay, where we have 36 spacious and beautiful laid out apartments, along with several fabulous amenities as well. So our amenities in the complex include things like our concierge lobby, our movie theater, our conference facility, fitness suite, our Dream Residence Lounge, our rooftop pool, rooftop jacuzzi, rooftop bar area, jogging trail, playground, just to name a few. Interior of the apartments, of course, all your expected porcelain tiles throughout, our Hurricane Cat 5 glass for all our window areas, 8-foot doors, you know, modern cabinetry, quartz countertops, recessed ceilings and the like. So a beautifully laid out apartment.